Hey everybody, it's the Wingman. Thank you for joining me this morning. I've got a kind of a breaking story that I thought was interesting, and I know I've got my morning voice on, but I wanted to get this out as quickly as I could. This is regarding what a judge decided in California that may have nationwide ramifications in a positive way, and it came by way of my friend Ron Burge, the RV Lemon lawyer. I'm going to read to you just kind of a little bit about it, and I want to get your input. It says, Airstream gets bench slapped. I love that term. Never heard it before. Bench slapped by judge for trying to force lawsuit to be filed outside of owner's home state. A judge in California has issued a decision saying that Airstream will not be allowed to force a California resident to sue Airstream in Ohio, where Airstream is located, and can maintain her lawsuit where she bought the RV and lives in California. In doing it, the decision likely will affect Airstream owners nationwide. I say it could have even broader implications. So here's the deal. If you ever bought an RV, how many times did you have to sign documents? I mean, the final signing documents. A bunch. The answer is a bunch. And then if you have an issue with your manufacturer, it's what you signed that matters. It's not what you thought you signed. It's what you actually signed. So I'm going to read this. This is from Ron Burge. It says on July 18th, so a week ago today, Santa Cruz County Superior Court Judge Timothy Schmall issued a judge in Burge versus Airstream. The Burge is not related to the Ron Burge that sent this to me. I'll clarify in a minute. Denying Airstream an Airstream motion that would have forced the buyer to take her lawsuit to Ohio courts, saying that the warranty clause that mandated the case be filed in Ohio is buried in the second to last paragraph and is written in legalese such that a reasonable consumer could not be expected to understand they were acquiescing to file a lawsuit in Ohio, and that the paragraph is written in a fashion so as to obfuscate what the meaning actually might be. In other words, they buried it. And you and we're not lawyers. I'm not a lawyer, and I should, but I don't read every document that comes in front of me. I kind of click the boxes, assuming other people are people of integrity and honor. Most are not. It continues. The judge also noted that the consumer will have already signed their name 13 times before the warranty even came up, and that reading and signing fatigue will likely have set in before signing off on the warranty. Do you ever, by the time you're through signing the documents, or is it like, oh, I need a break? Let me know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this story. It says, like other California courts that have looked at similar clauses in other Thor company warranties, Judge Schmall did not mince words in denying the Airstream tactic and added, application of that clause is unfair and unreasonable. Since the judge made the determination on the Airstream warranty itself, as a matter of law, Airstream likely will be unable to make any consumer comply with "you have to sue us in Ohio" clause anywhere in the country, and any upset Airstream owner will likely have the right to file their claim wherever they bought their RV or where the repair work was done. That to me is incredible. What do you think? Is it any big deal to you? I see it as a huge, huge victory. Will it open the door for other cases to be thrown out? In other words, when you sign your documents, a lot of these RV manufacturers, you think if you bought it in Texas or you bought it in California, that if you have an issue, you can sue somebody in the state that you bought it in. Well, you can, but somehow, someplace buried in the warranty, it probably says, you really need to sue us where the unit was built. This concludes, it says this case is Catherine E. Burge versus Airstream Inc., filed in the Superior Court of California, Santa Cruz County, case number blah, 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 blah. And the court decision was filed July 18th, 2024. Catherine Burge is not related to RV Lemon lawyer Ronald Burge. Ron is my friend. You've seen him here on the channel a lot. Although he did provide assistance to the California attorney who successfully defeated the Airstream motion. Well, Ron Burge assists a lot of people. Like I said, this is my morning voice. I'm trying to get my brain going. But this was an email that Ron Burge sent me, and I thought that you needed to see it. If this kind of thing is of interest to you, I hope that you will go on Facebook and actually click down below. You can link over to Ron's Facebook page to his website and follow him. He's super smart. And when it comes to RVs and the law, lemon laws, I don't think there's anybody any smarter than Ron Burge is. So while we never want to end up in court, sometimes, unfortunately, many of us are, it's always best, as I say, to be prepared beforehand. And knowing this information is super good. What do you think? You think it is a victory for consumers, for Catherine Burge out in California? I certainly think it is. And I think that Airstream, the lawyers at Airstream are going, oh my God. And what do you think they're thinking? What do you think that the lawyers of these RV manufacturers are thinking with this decision by a judge in California? Do you think they're going, no big deal? Maybe. But if I was a lawyer, I think, that worked for an RV manufacturer, I'd be going, holy crap, this could lead to something really bad for us. We might have to travel to all these different states to defend our poor product. All right, that's it. I'm going to, sounds like I might be coming down with something too. Make sure you would like this channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Check out the description. Check out Ron Burge. Follow him if you would on my Facebook groups. We put Ron's, he calls them his Monday morning updates. They're industry lemon law things that he finds out, and they affect a lot of people, a lot of RVs. They've got manufacturer recalls, and you will find that out if you go to his Facebook page, and you can, like it, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. All right, I'm going to leave it there. Go grab another cup of coffee. Y'all make it a great day. I'm Alan Warren, the RV Wingman. Be safe, have fun, play nice, and don't leave your good manners at home. And I'll change shirts next time you see me. Bye-bye, everybody.